Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 1. Now, what subject are we going to see today? Come on, can you guess? We are going to see EVS revision lesson 1. You remember which was our lesson 1? We have completed 2 lessons in EVS. First was early humans. Very good. So we are going to quickly recap our lesson number 1, early humans. I am sure that you remember this lesson. So you are going to listen to this very properly because at the end I am going to ask you few questions. So children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. We are going to start with our hard words. You all wrote in your book 3 times. I know you wrote hard words, right? And you learn. Okay, so you are going to tell me again. I will see whether you know or you don't know. So first word is warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Our next word is caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. Third word is animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Come on, repeat with me. First is warm. W-A-R-M. Next is caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. Next word is animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Let's see what is our next word. Our next word is grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Next is stones. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. Next word is rubbing. You remember? Yes. R-U-B-B-I-N-G. Rubbing. R-U-B-B-I-N-G. Rubbing. Next word is wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. Next word is people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Next word is human. H-U-M-A-N. Human. H-U-M-A-N. Human. What is our next word? Okay, it's hunted. H-U-N-T-E-D. Hunted. H-U-N-T-E-D. Hunted. Next word is tame. T-A-M-E. Tame. Next word is tame. T-A-M-E. Tame. Next is cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Next is sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Next is crops. C-R-O-P-S. Crops. C-R-O-P-S. Crops. What is next? Okay, so now we are going to quickly recap of our lesson. Let's recall what we have already done. Early humans used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. You remember early humans used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. Next, they lived in forest and caves. They lived in forest and caves. Listen properly, children, okay? Because I am going to ask you. Next, in the beginning, early humans did not know how to cook food and so they ate raw food. In the beginning, early humans did not know how to cook food and so they ate raw food. They used to kill animals, right? And they used to eat flesh of that animals. They used to eat seeds and fruits, whatever they get in the forest. You remember? They hunted animals with sticks and stones. Later, early humans learned how to make fire. How they make fire? How did they invent? By rubbing two stones. You remember I showed you? Okay. Next, they also learned how to grow crops and tame animals. They also learned how to grow crops and they also made animals trained to work for them. Now, I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready? You have to tell me true or false. If the sentence what I am going to tell is true, if it is right, you are going to write T. And if the sentence is wrong, then you are going to write F, false. Okay? The first sentence is, early humans lived in houses like ours. True or false? Did they live houses like we live? In a flat? In a pakka house? No, they used to live in forest and caves. So the sentence here is wrong. So I am going to write, false. Okay. Now let's see what is the next sentence. Early humans used leaves and animal skin to cover their bodies. They used leaves and animal skin to cover their bodies. This statement is right or wrong? That is true or false? True. So I am going to write T. Clear? Okay, next. What is our next sentence? Our next sentence is, early humans lived in forest. Yes or no? True. They lived in forest. Next. Early humans ate well cooked food. They used to cook very well and they used to eat their food. Is it true? No. So I will write F. Next. Early humans discovered fire by rubbing two stones. Is this sentence true? Yes, they discovered fire by rubbing two stones. Very good. Now let's see what is next. You have to take the correct answer. Teacher will be showing you many options, but you have to tell me which option is the correct. I am going to take the correct answer. Okay. Question is, early humans lived in houses. They lived in caves, forest, both. Number 2 and number 3, that is caves and forest. So which is the correct answer here? Early humans lived in house, caves, forest or both? this caves and forest. Which is correct answer? Both caves and forest. So I'm going to take the last option. Both caves and forest. Let's see what is next question. Our next question is, early humans ate. Now there will be 4 options again. First, raw food. Second, fruits, seeds, and for last option is all of this. They used to eat raw food, fruits and seeds. All of this. So which is the correct answer? All of this. Yes? Very good. Now let's see our next question. Early humans covered their bodies with, first option, leaves, animal skins, clothes, both first and second option, that is leaves and animal skins. So which is the correct answer? Both leaves and animal skins is the correct answer. Very good. Now our next question is, early humans learned to make fire by, let's see the options. By hunting animals. Did they learn fire by hunting animals? By breaking trees? Rubbing stones together? And rubbing their hands together? No, we all know this answer. What is the answer? By rubbing stones together. Yes, they learn to make fire by rubbing stones together. Let's see our next question. Fire helped early humans to cook their food, keep warm, keep wild animals away, and all of this. So how did the fire help early humans, children? They helped them by cooking, keep them warm when it is too cold. So fire helps them to keep warm, keep wild animals away when they come to attack. All of this. So according to me, the answer is all of this. All the answers are, all the 3 options given above are correct. Yes? Now let's see what is our next question. Name the following. Number 1. People who lived many years ago is called early humans. Very good. Clap for yourself. Next question. I am not going to tell you answer, okay? It helped them to keep wild animals away. What helped early humans to keep wild animals away? Just now I told you the answer. Answer is fire. Next question is, it was made out of ostrich eggshells. You remember? What was made out of ostrich eggshells? Beads. Very good. It helped them to hunt animals. What helped them to hunt animals? Sticks and stones. Very good. Now you have to tell me answer in short. Okay, you don't have to write anything. You have to tell me orally answer in short. I am going to ask you question and you are going to give me short answer. Where did early humans live? Forest and caves. Okay, this is short answer. You don't have to tell full sentence. Early humans live in forest and caves. No, you can answer in short. What did early humans eat? Fruits, seeds, and raw flesh of animals. What did early humans used to cover themselves? Animal skin and leaves. Very good. You all remember this lesson. Very good. So now I know that you all know this lesson very thoroughly. So in the next session, I will take the revision of next lesson. Okay. So study the hard words, study the true or false, go through the name the following and answer in short what I have taught you just now. Okay children, stay at home, stay healthy and keep smiling. Thank you.